So let's test and see how good some of these video generators are. I've got 5 generations here. It wasn't long before we kept running into this tweak issue with Wolverine and Deadpool, and no matter what I tried, I couldn't get around it. And it was also an issue for less copyrighted characters as well. So this is a major kind of sticking point for me and Envato. So I tried the generate or improve with AI, and it actually made it worse. So and it lost my edit, so I wasn't able to undo. So here is a more complete script to follow. I think we're going to get the same error because I'm just wondering whether it can be tricked, because it's already done a video. No. Let's go back to my so I don't know how they're working out that Wolverine and Deadpool are the characters. Let's try again. Obvious parodies of copyrighted characters, which is not allowed. Okay, so what do we call them? Okay, we can't maybe do this. So here we have like a somewhat of a limit, so you know that you're not going to get away with any public figure or any copyright, but we seem to be getting a bit further with this one. So creators are flooding in. Okay, well, I'll stop recording and cut this to where it's actually done something. So there's no sound. The Wolverine is a pretty cool character. His friend, nothing like Deadpool. We didn't give it enough description. If you went at it for quite a while, you could probably describe Deadpool without saying Deadpool, and then you would get more like a Deadpool character. But there not being any sound. Oh, wait a minute, that's come out for some, and this is what happens. So we've actually lost. It's actually done what it's been told, so that's our fault that there doesn't seem to be any sound. So let's see if it can actually produce something with sound. I'm going to try and get some non-problematic video using Envato going, and I've got this idea. I want to create a video that shows the next power of AI, which is creating agents, if you haven't heard already. So instead of doing singular tasks, which still require human prompting and presence, the AI agents are just being been given the license to save files on the system, all kinds of things, which is pretty scary. But anyway, that's not the point. So I want to create, I've got this little script, and we're just going to pop it straight into Envato and see what happens. So this is what we've got, which is, the video is kind of nice enough, really, but there's no audio with it. So that's something I could add audio to, I suppose, in post-production, but it's another step. So I think it shows a bit of a limitation of Envato, really, and you're going to really take a lot of time prompting Envato and then a lot of post-production. So that's my view on it, when it seems already a lot of the other AI video tools just get it much closer, much quicker. So that probably is where I'm going to wrap up my Envato review. And bearing in mind, this is just using the free system. I can't obviously turn around and start buying a month for every single one of them to test. So that's a little bit unfair, but hopefully you found some value in this. Thanks. Please consider subscribing if you want to see other AI related videos and some randomness in your life.